Digitrappin, bitch, I bet you that I trap all day. I'd like to welcome everybody to Digitrappin TV. Right now I'm actually in Digitrappin HQ, and let y'all motherfuckers know that HQ is well protected. But at the same time, we about to get into a little bit of flipping. Show y'all a couple deals that I picked up. Got a little bit of Walmart clearance within reach. $150 for the Battlefield. Picked 2 copies of this up out of Walmart the other day. I think I'm a Reseller. If y'all ain't checked that series out, y'all check that out. We should have the playlist somewhere on the main page. But this is Alliance right here. Got 2 copies of this Dungeons and Dragons, as y'all can see. About to FBA this out probably today, amongst other things. Came across another copy of Cooking Mama. $10 FBA, selling around 20-ish, 29 I think, but I think Amazon came in lower. But long story short, when I see a video game, I just gotta pop on it, you know. But this was a surprise right here. Found these at Dollar General, just sitting in the DVD bin. Now this is Def Jam Rap Star for the Nintendo Wii, brand new seal with the microphone and everything included, $4.95. I'm not sure how much this is selling for, but shit, $4.95 for a video game at Dollar General, who would have thunk it? Meanwhile, these 2 copies were sitting in the bin at Dollar General too. And let me get a zoom up so y'all can look at the name of this video game. But this is selling for $29 FBA Amazon. 2 copies, Xbox 360, brand new. This is getting FBA'd. So y'all be on the lookout for video games at your Dollar General. Alright, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. We headed to a estate sale right now. This estate sale is about 30 minutes away from the crib. About to see what they got. They got a Nintendo Wii up in there, and a couple video games that I've seen that we hoping to pop on, but it don't really like they got too much stuff in there. So the estate sale start at 10 o'clock. Right now it's 8:10 I believe. So people probably already there and got their tickets. So I might have already missed out on the Wii, but I'm still gonna see what we can find. But let's get to this money, baby. Trap all day. People, when y'all come to these estate sales, y'all make sure y'all come up to the door and sign in. This dude in the white van, he look like he might get that Wii. But looky here. I should have been here earlier, but there's only 3 people here, so y'all can see. So I'm number 4. That's the first time I've been that early to a estate sale, but it don't look like shit here. Y'all see the house. Most people go to those big estate sales. But we got about an hour and a half left, man. We gonna chill in the car. Another Walmart clearance I popped on. This is an HD60 camera capture game card or whatever. And this is what you basically plug up to stream PlayStation, Xbox on your PC for like Twitch, YouTube, and you can use it for DSLR cameras, which I'm trying to do. But when I was out on the road, I found these right here at Target, and these are Amy, the actual Sonic the Hedgehog girl. I guess this is his girlfriend or sister, I'm not sure. But this toy is sold for over $40. They're only $9. But if you can find these, I'm telling you, rack up on them. Be on the lookout for this. And this is available at Target while supplies last. These are coming more rare to find, the actual PSVR systems. And I was at Walmart and actually saw they had a PSVR. And I was like, damn, let me go ahead and get that. So I went on and got it. I wanted to get it for personal, but at the same time I was looking at the resale prices, and with the holidays coming up, it's really a shortage on these, so people probably be willing to pay almost whatever they want for it. As we wait for this estate sale to jump off, let's look at a couple things they had, and let me go through how I go to my estate sales, because I don't really tell people like how I actually find estate sales. What I do is I go to estatesales.net, type in either your city, area code, whatever, and let me just click on this. I mean, you can just click here, you know, you can search sales from, hold up, today, tomorrow, the next 15 days once you type in your area code. Today we are actually at this estate sale here, which starts April 9th, and tomorrow from 10 to 3 p.m. That silverware, I don't know, that might be a little chump change. But yeah, right here, we got the Nintendo Wii. That's $50 off top today. If I get that, that'll sell for $50 off top. And I can see that they got it sitting on one of them Wii exercise mats. I ain't really concerned about that, but you can still get some money off of that. And then they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 video games. I don't know what that's about. I mean, they might sell the whole thing as a lot, but I mean, they got everything packaged together like it's separate Wii accessories. That last Wii I got from an estate sale, I broke that whole pack down. I paid $80 for it. I probably sold like 300, and I guess I made probably like a good 200 profit off of it. Let's go back here after we leave this estate sale. And the thing I hate is all of these estate sales, for the most part, they be started at the same time. You see 10 a.m., 10 a.m., 10 a.m. So you kind of got to pick your poison. Like, do I want to hit this one first, hit this one first? I really just came out here for this Wii, so this might be an absolute bust if somebody get to that Wii before me.
Sarah, Julie, Daniel, Terry, Joan, Eddie, George, Debbie, Michael, and Miranda.
Good morning. Bedrooms are this way.
I don't remember what she told me.
We also have items in the garage.
That estate sale turned out to be a bust, man. I actually ran into one of my flippers. He said he followed me. He'll resell it too on up in the estate sale or whatever. And he got to that Wii before me, but he said that shit was $60. So, but yeah, they had Mario Brothers for the Wii, just the video game, priced at $35, and they had it up by the checkout counter like it was something, you know, big. But you saw how the house was, you know, it wasn't really much in there, so I guess they had to price stuff high. But right now we headed to this full house estate sale. This is a nice little community. This is the estate sale.
At the next stop sign, turn left. The destination is on your right. 5004 Haven Lodge Road. Arrived.
God damn, dude. Blowing me up.
Morning.
How y'all doing? Them guys are funny.
That's cute.
$10.
And this is a, this, well, you know what? 92, not in the best shape, but
Game ball, probably.
how about $10? I know, I can't read any of them.
You know, I'll believe you. I'll try.
All right, I'll look
But, all
around.
right.
Ooh, this right here.
You charge for the credit card?
Jeans.
Oh, it's on the back.
That's Jimmy Dean.
It's on the back.
Jimmy
Price.
Dean.
Is this something?
Okay, for Jimmy Dean. What do we? It look like it say Dean something. Jean,
That's
Sean.
his face, though.
And who is this little? chubby
Chubby
checker.
checker, yeah. You do the twist, right? He's the most famous of all. Isn't he?
Who's that? He, huh?
Chubby checker.
Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Rub the
Yeah,
belly.
pretty cool.
Massive good luck here.
He's still around too.
It'll be something.
Chubby checkers. You
He's
gotta
I think
do
he's out
that.
packing stuff.
Look at this big goofy over here. This gotta be from like the 80s or 70s. Good God, they want $30. Oh, good God. You never paid $30 for a plush, but I'm gonna look that up. And you can tell this, what does that say? Theme parks, Walt Disney Productions. Let's see what this sold for. Oh, they want $100. They crazy. They sick. $100. They must be sick. Yeah, that ain't nothing. The B-Sides Playboy. Playboy's complete book of party jokes. Playboy hosting bars. Where the Playboy magazine stuff? Got this pocket salmon. Damn, they want $30 for the pocket salmon. I was hoping to get this for $5 and flip it for 30 or 40 or 50. This book say 1937. Berkeley 1937 yearbook. Look at this, people, a 1937 yearbook. We gotta get this. Them yearbooks would be worth money, especially 1937. So we got these pipes, 32, 36, $75, but they want 180. We do not do that. Man, we leaving out the estate sale, man. All I got was that Energizer Bunny banner. I got an old ass yearbook from 1937, and I got a Cleography, whatever them pen sets where you can write all scripted with, for $2. So I ain't really get much, but the little autograph pictures, those was nothing but reprints, so I put those back. Right now I think I'm gonna hit up some Goodwill stores. There's only one more estate sale that I kind of wanted to go to, but I kind of just wanted to go out there for that Nintendo GameCube. But I already know that's gone if the price was right. After that, I'm about to get on the road and go out of town because I got surgery on Monday. I'm about to get these plates removed out of my face because they've been bothering me constantly for like the last 3 years. So hopefully I can be more productive when that happens. But right now we about to trap it out.
We ain't got a job. Retail arbitrage. If it profit, then we cop. Drop, ship a pack, never touch it like a boss. Battery on 10%, I'm trapping out the Ross. You can't be a flipper if you never took a loss. I done seen so many that the shit'll make you nauseous. Flipper.